What's up, guys? It's Black History Month. Oh, look at this. Natural cleaning products. That's dope. I love when a black business is based on something that you don't normally see us in the business of doing. Black box, signature Sudz. That is dope. This is, these are the refills. Oh, okay. This is your refill bundle. I like it. So they gave us some refills along with the actual. Okay, I got a syringe. What do I need a syringe for? Oh, here's the card. Okay. It says, "Hi, Kandi. First, let us say thank you. This is such an amazing way to highlight the awesome community of black business owners. We hope that you love our products and that you'll share them with your followers. We are committed to offering natural alternatives to household essentials. We are Signature Sudz." Like that name, too. That's a good name. It says, "We created our product line out of necessity when the pandemic threatened to shut down our laundry service in early 2020. At the time, we were using popular store brand laundry detergent and bleach. Then one day, the shelves were bare, and stores were imposing limits on how much you could purchase. So we did our homework and learned all about natural cleaning agents. Our daughter's battles with eczema inspired us to formulate our products using simple ingredients." Oh, this is awesome. My children have a little eczema as well, and they could benefit from using your products. So, okay. This is the crisp citrus scent. Oh, it's vegan and eczema friendly. Let's smell this. Ooh, smells good. To disinfect. For use on non-porous surfaces only, apply the surface until thoroughly wet. Wipe with clean cloth or sponge. So yes, it is for cleaning surfaces. This one, natural bleach. This is a natural bleach. Okay. I didn't know we could have natural bleaches. But it says recommended uses: laundry whitener filled to max line and dispense or add half a cup to wash water. Laundry sanitizing, it tells you how to do that, and household disinfectant if you choose to use it that way. And what else do we have? This is obviously hand wash, hand soap, lemongrass, and eucalyptus. I think this is perfect because I feel like the pandemic, it really sparked a lot of us to think outside the box, which is amazing that with them having their own laundry service company that they thought to figure out how to make their own cleaning supplies. Because y'all remember that? How they was like not letting us running out of cleaning supplies and we couldn't get certain supplies and all that craziness. This is, this is the actual detergent. Frankincense and peppermint in it. This is amazing, y'all. It tells you how much you can use for each load. I'm gonna have to try this out. Sorry. Oh, and they got fruit and veggie wash. That's good too. They just thought about everything. That is awesome. Well, everybody, we have to support these black-owned businesses. They have quality products, and what we want to see them flourish. We want to see them win, and we want to see them be successful.